Could extreme heat lead to a workers' compensation claim? Well, let's address the elephant in the room. It's hot in Florida, and not just uncomfortably hot. It is the kind of Florida heat that can become a real workplace risk for your employees who spend their day outside or in buildings without adequate cooling. When we think about workplace injuries, we usually picture someone slipping, falling, or getting hurt while using equipment. But during a summer in Florida, the heat itself can lead to an employee becoming sick or injured. This does not only apply to roofers, landscapers, or construction crews. Employees working in warehouses, kitchens, garages, manufacturing facilities, or other hot environments can also be affected. Heat exhaustion can cause dizziness, weakness, nausea, confusion, or even fainting. And in some situations, the heat-related illnesses is the injury. In others, it causes something else to happen. An employee may become dizzy, fall from a ladder, lose control of equipment, or have an accident while driving between job sites. If the illness or injury resulting is connected to the employee's job, it could potentially lead to a workers' compensation claim. That may involve medical treatment, time away from work, and questions about safety procedures that business had in place. Workers' compensation coverage is important, but it should not be the business's only plan. Employers should have clear procedures for employees working in hot conditions. That includes access to water, appropriate rest breaks, shaded or cooler recovery areas, and training supervisors and employees to recognize the warning signs of heat illness. New employees may require additional attention because their bodies may not have become adjusted to working in the heat. Businesses should also have a plan for what to do when an employee begins showing symptoms instead of waiting until the situation becomes an emergency. If you own a business with employees working in hot conditions, this is a good time to review both your safety procedures and your workers' compensation coverage. Give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call at 727-748-2886. We can help you review your current coverage and discuss the workplace risk that may affect your business. Florida's heat is unavoidable. Being unprepared for how it affects your employees does not have to be.